what do we learn from identification of individuals and population? So students, the question is why we need to identify the individuals and population. So what can we learn from them? So first let us understand the word individuals and population. So here is an example. So this is a species of a fish. So one organism is there, so we call it as individual. So when same kind of species share a common habitat and live together, we call them as a population. So here we can see many fishes which are similar, which can interbreed and give rise to offspring. So such a group of species who are sharing a common habitat, they are called as population. So individuals and population. So first these words are clear. Now here I have another example. There is a group of birds all belonging to same species. They are capable of reproducing and giving rise to young ones. That means they have many similar characteristics. But if we observe them, they are not exactly similar. No two individuals are exactly similar. They differ in the color. For example here. So one bird has got yellow feathers, one have orange, one have red. So that means they are differing in some characteristics. So when we study about these similar and dissimilar characteristics, this helps us to classify the organisms in a better way. Now let us consider another characteristics. Let's consider the beak of the bird. Now suppose in one of the species in a population, there is a mutation in the beak structure and this bird gets a different beak shape. And when this bird flies to a new habitat, the new beak which it has acquired might help for it to survive in this particular new habitat, and hence it will survive over there. Whereas the other birds which have not undergone mutation, which have not undergone changes, with the old beak, they will not be able to survive in the new habitat and these birds might die. So the modified beak birds may survive in the new habitat. So as it stays in the new habitat for longer duration, it will accumulate some more changes in itself and might become into a new species. So by studying each and every characteristics in individual and in a population, we can relate the organisms more easily. So it becomes very easy to classify the organisms in various categories. So it is, even though the population have same type of species, but they will differ in one or two characteristics. So no two individuals are similar. So when we study all the characteristics of an organisms in a population, the classification systems becomes more easy.